Commencing citywide optimization. For your safety and efficiency, please synchronize.
Non-compliant organic detected. Oh, wait! You're a cat! System logic error! We can't get through the network. We have to go underground. You're the chaos. You're the variable.
Glitch! You brought me a house pet? Beep beep bop. The surface is lost. We stick to the old ways, the real ways. This way. The old steam pipes will block their sensors. Get him, M.O.!
The Nexus Tower's foundation has one vulnerability, a primary coolant intake pipe. It's our only way in.
You know, Kitty, we fight so hard for our messy, unpredictable world. There's no way for all of us to get through. I'll create a system overload. Give 'em hell, Kitty! Your chaotic intrusion is illogical. Your existence will be corrected.
The master reboot console. It's shielded.